Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the money pending issue on PayPal in the simplest way possible. Even if you're a complete beginner or you don't have any bank account linked, don't worry, I'll walk you through every step you need to know to get your money released faster. When someone sends you money on PayPal, sometimes PayPal puts it on hold. This is called pending or on hold. It usually happens if the account is new, if you haven't received payments before, or if PayPal wants to verify that the transaction is safe. So, let's fix that. Now, PayPal normally releases your money faster when you provide tracking or order status. If you're selling something, providing those details helps PayPal trust the transaction. But even if you're not shipping a physical product, PayPal still gives you an option to confirm the order was completed. Tap on the pending transaction. Scroll down and look for a button that says Add Tracking or Update Order Status. When you tap on it, PayPal will ask whether the payment is for a physical product or for a service. If you are not shipping anything and it's just a digital service or a personal payment, choose the option Order Processed or Service Provided. After that, select No Tracking Information Required. Then tap Submit or Confirm. Once you do this, PayPal usually releases the money within 7 days, sometimes faster. Some payments even get released within minutes or hours once the order is confirmed. Another reason your money may stay pending is if your PayPal account is new. PayPal wants to see that your account is safe and trustworthy, so one of the best ways to fix future pending payments is to complete your PayPal profile. To do this, go back to the PayPal home screen and tap on your profile icon. Make sure your email is verified, your phone number is verified, and any identity verification requested by PayPal is completed. You don't need to attach a bank account just to fix pending payments, but if you ever want to withdraw money, you will eventually need to link a bank account or a debit card. For now, you can still receive and release payments even without linking a bank. If someone paid you for a service and they are a trusted person, you can also ask them to go to their PayPal account and mark the order as received. This step instantly releases the money in many cases, but this only works if the sender has the option available. If the money is pending because PayPal is reviewing the transaction, you don't need to do anything. PayPal will automatically finish the review within 24 to 72 hours. You can check the status by tapping the transaction again. If the pending payment is actually an e-check, which means the sender paid through their bank, then PayPal can take 5 to 7 business days to clear it. In this case, you simply have to wait because e-checks cannot be sped up. And if none of these steps work, scroll to the bottom of your PayPal app and tap Help. Choose Message Us or Call Us. Tell PayPal support the payment is stuck in pending and you want it reviewed. They usually respond quickly and can manually release the funds if everything looks safe. So that's how you fix PayPal money pending. Open the pending transaction, update the order status, complete your account verification, and contact support if needed. This solves the issue for most beginners and helps make future payments release instantly. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.